Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on your Google Sheets. There are a couple ways that you can do this, and I'm going to walk you through them. And so you can see that in column I have the written directions on how we're accessing these things in case you need them to be written down. And then I'm also going to take you through step by step and show you how to do it. So the first way, let's work on zooming in. You can go up to where this little menu is here. It says menus there. I feel like that's the best identifier. And you can see that there is, let me click off of that. You can see that there is a little drop down menu. Right now it says 100%. And there are all of these percentages. And so I want to zoom in. So I want to do anything from 100 is where I'm at right now to 125, 150, and 200. Now, let me go back to that. That is the first way that you can do it. You can also on your keyboard, if you're running Windows keyboard, I don't know if it's the same on a Mac system, but you can hit Control and the plus sign at the same time, and it will also do the same thing. And then the third way, you can go up to this main menu up here, go to view, and you can go down to zoom, and the same thing. The percentages, the higher the percentage, the more zoomed in you are. The lower the percentage, the more zoomed out you are. So let's talk about zooming out. It's the same exact thing. Going to this menu, you can go from 90 to 75 and to 50. Now let me go back to my 100%. And you can also use the keyboard shortcut on Windows, which is Control and the minus, and that will also, again, do the same thing. And then the last way is the same exact way we did the zooming in. Go up to the main menu, click View, go down to Zoom, and do anything below this 100, and that will zoom out for you. So again, very just repetitive. It just depends on the percentage that you pick. So that is how you zoom in and out on Google Sheets. If you found this to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thank you. Bye.